Welcome to I Talk You Talk. In which year are we? 2020. But 2020 what? Is it CE, BC, AD or BE? To begin with, Europeans came up with the measure of year. They considered birth of Jesus as the reference point. Basically, they divided the history into two. It was before and after the birth of Jesus. Let's understand this better. Consider a graph with x and y axis which will have 0, 0 as the origin. Now remove the y axis. Let's talk about the x axis which will have 0 as the origin. Europeans took the 0 as the birth year of Jesus Christ. The period before the birth of Jesus were notified with BC, and years after the birth of Jesus were termed as AD. Let's discuss what is BC first. BC is before the birth of Christ. Example, if you see 200 BC, it means 200 years before the birth of Christ. If you happen to read a history lesson with Decimus Brutus, born 82 BC, died 43 BC, that means Brutus was born 82 years before the birth of Christ and he died 43 years before the birth of Christ. For those of us who don't know who is Decimus Brutus, well, he was the friend of Caesar as well as the one who assassinated Caesar. BC is seen on the negative axis, so as the years move forward, you will find the numbers decrease. And one important thing about BC, the term BC always comes next to the year. Example, 100 BC, 250 BC. Now AD, which means Anno Domini. That's a Latin phrase, translates to year of Lord. By Lord, they mean Jesus Christ. There are quite some people who mistakes AD for after death. It's not correct. AD means Anno Domini or after the birth of Jesus. And AD always comes first. For example, AD 1200. And this present year can be termed as AD 2020. One strange thing about this AD BC stuff is there is no 0 year. Historians say that there is no such year called 0. Well, I'm not convinced. If it is not 0, then what would you term it as? How do you write that year? If someone has got the answer, please do comment. I am very curious. Let's move on to BCE and CE. In 20th century, many people doesn't want to have a religious notation to the years and they wanted it to be non-religious. They came up with BCE and CE. BCE stands for Before Common Era and they used it to replace BC. CE stands for Common Era and that replaced AD. Like BC, BCE comes after the year. Unlike AD, CE comes after the year. If you say AD 2020, that is right. Or if you say 2020 CE, that is also right. It totally depends on the individual whether or to choose BC AD or BCE CE. Some textbooks will have BC AD and some will have followed BCE and CE. It doesn't matter if you use BC AD or BCE CE, the reference point is still the same. It is the birth year of Jesus Christ, or should I say believed it to be the birth year of Jesus Christ. I hope the video was informative and you liked it. Please do comment if you have the answer for year 0. I would really appreciate that. Thanks for watching.